Biafra National Guard, which is their leader will be General Innocent Ařmëđ. They don't raise Israel flag. Say they are ready to support Israel. No be smart, you know. Yeah, my wonderful people, move go see how they take do am. How it happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Barnabas Gist. If today na the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Today we are here to bring you ogbonge news as they hot. Now so they bring and they come. So if you know say you never subscribe or follow our Facebook page, please kindly do so, because as it happen, as well they bring and come give you, so that you know go they miss our update. And don't forget to turn your notification bell so that as we post, you will be the first person we will get our update back to back. Yeah, my people, let's quickly drop into the ogbonge news where we get for hand today. They say that the Biafra BNG, which is Biafra National Guard, their leader, which is General Innocent Ařmëđ, has raised a Biafra flag and also raised Israel flag in support and solidarity to what is going on in Israel today. No be smart, you know. Now we come there, say how now go tell now go there, go help them. Say any kind of help that Israel need from them, they are ready to give to Israel, as long as the brotherhood continue, according to General Innocent Ařmëđ. And we are going to play you the video for you to watch the moment they are doing all those things, and we'll come back and continue. Stay tuned and watch the video.
All hail Biafra. Biafra flag is about to be raised. Rising sun, we love and cherish. We have vanquished our enemies. All hail Biafra. God bless Biafra. In we trust. Shout it, sing it. All hail Biafra. Biafra flag is going high. God bless Biafra. We have emerged triumphant from all our foes. Through thy crucible and scale, we pass victorious. Our trumpets bleeding, the glorious song. Play it, sing it, all hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. We shall always remember all that has perished in the struggle for our freedom. All hail our heroes. Our prayer shall be one, both day and night. Say them always, all hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Now our star shines everywhere. We crave humility. God guide and protect us all. All hail your wisdom, shielding us from fury, unleashed by our enlightenment. Biafra, Biafra, shining forever. Shut up! Here, mission of here the code. Present.
My honor is my faith. I vow my faith in Biafra, the supremacy of the Constitution, and our heritage of liberty. My duty is my service, to defend Biafra everywhere, our territory, wealth, and people. My faith is one. I am ready to redeploy, to engage and destroy the enemies of Biafra in close combat. This is my rifle. There are many like this, but this one is mine. It is my life. I must master it as I master my life. Without me, my rifle is useless. Without my rifle, I am useless. I must fire my rifle true. I must shoot better than the enemy who is trying to kill me. I must shoot him before he shot me. My faith is one and ever, the independent state of Biafra.
Shut up! Here, mission of BNG ethos. Present.
For Cardinal BNG points are on toes. I will always place the mission first. I will never accept defeat. I will never quit. I will never leave a foreign comrade.
Shut up! Money. His Excellency, sir, this day, 30th day of October, 2023, second year anniversary of Biafran sovereignty. May I have your order? We are about to listen to the head of state, Biafran provincial government. General Innocent N. Oji, the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the State of Biafra.
All right. Greetings to Biafrans all over the world and lovers of freedom. On behalf of the people of the Biafran Provisional Government, BPG, which is the government of the state of Biafra and the people of Biafra, I, General Innocent N. Oji, heartily condoles with the people of Israel as they overcome the wicked and deadly assault against the Israeli nation by the Hamas terrorist group and its alliance. It is exactly the situation we thought the people of Biafra are undergoing. And suffering abuse of our right and fundamental freedom. By the occupying Nigerian terrorist forces. I assure Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu of our unflinching support in whatever form required for the armed forces of the state of Biafra, not forgetting the strengthening of our alliance as agreed upon in the year 2021. as a recognition of Israeli government and the people. The Biafran provincial government, BPG, which is the government of the state of Biafra, hereby present a general salute and a hoisting of Israeli national flag, accompanied with Biafran flag as a proof of alliance and solidarity of brethren. This is to strengthen and renew our alliance, that we would be free from any form of discrimination once and for all. Shut up!
That is a message to the Israeli people and government. From the head of state, Biafran provincial government, and commander-in-chief of the armed forces of the state of Biafra. Has said in his speech, in his memo to the government, that the Israeli flag will be raised, accompanying the Biafran flag.
Oh, victory! Our flag is hoist. Victory! Oh, victory! Oh, victory! Biafra is a dwelling.
That is the Israeli flag and the Biafran flag
Oh, victory!
about to be hoisted
Oh, victory!
and raised high.
Our heart is glad. Our flag is hoist.
Victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory! Biafra is a dwelling place of God.
Victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory! Our heart is glad. Our flag is hoist.
Victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory! Biafra is a dwelling.
Israeli flag and the Biafran flag is raising high,
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory! Our
which is a significant of the solidarity and brotherhood between Biafra and Israel.
Oh, victory! Biafra is a dwelling place of God.
Victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory! Our heart is glad. Our flag is hoist.
Victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory!
Oh, victory! Biafra is a dwelling place of God.
His Excellency, sir, may I have your competent permission to release God?
Being the second year
Welcome back. I will listen to the
commemorative
speech
anniversary of the state of
of
Biafra.
General Innocent and Oji.
Once again, I said good day to Biafrans, international communities, agencies, members of the diplomatic and press corps, guests and ladies and gentlemen. All protocol observed. Welcome and thank you for joining us today for the second year anniversary of the proclamation, redeclaration, restoration of Biafra. Once again, I said, welcome and thank you for joining us today for the second year anniversary of the proclamation, redeclaration. This journey to Biafran freedom, growth and development is a task and mandate assigned upon me.
Yeah, my wonderful people, yeah, welcome back. As you have watched that video, and see everything they did there, how they raised Biafra flag and have they are singing Biafra national anthem, and also raise the flag of Israel flag as well, talking about them is fully in support of what happened. That is, they are fully in support and start in solidarity with Israel people. But I have question why I ask for these things where they happen. I be Israel no say we and them nah brother. Because none of things will not happen for Southeast where they see say Israel people they raise Biafra flag go, or then they don't make some comments say these people wanna they kill, then our own people wanna stop. I never see such a thing. No word no good made they bend them, because for here would they talk truth as it be. So may wanna try to support who they support on no matter what. Now so we'll see. My people, I beg me, let us know your contribution about this particular video where we don't want for comment section. Let's talk about it over there. Share this video, please.